Hey, so we are sort of back. I'm driving to a drift day, and I was gonna have a cool like montage of the like morning sunrise and everything, but I live in Okinawa, so it's raining like it always is. But the windows are down because that's how I drive. Yeah, we didn't get Chica's car ready because no matter what I did, it's got some weird cutout between like 1500 and 4500 RPMs and doesn't run very good, which is a bummer. But so she's not coming today. It's just me. My friend Josh is behind me. He's got a Skyline, and I'll probably update this when I get to the track. But it's going to be a good day. I didn't bring a whole lot of tires, so the rain is actually ideal. I'm not upset about that at all. And no way, I wear glasses when I drive, which is a super bummer, but it is what it is. Yeah, anywho, I will see you guys at the track, and then we'll do some drifting, and hopefully do good today. So, alrighty, take it out. Peace out, take out. See you guys in a little bit. Bye. Made it to the track. I did a few laps already. I forgot to film, of course, but I'm gonna go film here in a minute. But yeah, it was pouring down rain, and now it's roughly 1,000 degrees and super steamy, so everyone's loving that. But yeah, I'll get you guys hooked up here in a minute, and we'll see you get some driving footage. A lot of cool cars out here today, so all right, stay tuned for that. Peace out. So the camera won't stick to its mount up there anymore, but so I got to clean that up. But yeah, it started raining again, and we're doing reverse track, and it's getting slippery, and there's like 15 cars out there. So I'm gonna take me a little break for a while. But overall, it's been a good day. All the diff bushings, arms, and everything else has been a huge help. Car actually handles pretty good. Actually grips up pretty nice in the rear. I was surprised. But yeah, it's been a good day. Hopefully the rain goes away and we can get back out to having some fun. Alrighty. How's everybody doing? So I'm headed home from the drift day. It got super rainy, but it was a fun day. I had a good time. We did like a little rock, paper, scissors competition during lunch, but I was close, but I didn't win, so oh well. I actually got to see my friends Sean and Neil Rivenbark, they're brothers. I haven't seen Neil in like 10 years. He's visiting from Arizona at the moment, and he's a big drifter guy. Yeah, so it was good to see them, and it was good to see them again. But now I'm on Route 2 in Okinawa, which is just back and forth, windy. And then it's pouring down rain like it has been all day. But yeah, I just want to do a little recap. Good day, Progres. As I got all the sway bars and diff bushings and sway bar bushing, diff and subframe bushings. Everything's solid on this car now, and handled fantastic. I was very, very surprised at how good it felt. I figured it was going to be body rolly and down on power, but no, it dried up for about an hour today, and I was linking the course, and I was very pleased. So no complaints there. But sorry, I'm all over the place. I'm driving. I shouldn't be on the camera and drive. But, don't call the police on me. But yeah, it was a bummer that we couldn't get Chica's car here today. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm hoping it's a simple TPS sensor or something stupid, but it's a lot of money for a car, but it's going to be a good car when it's all done. I was telling her last night that it sucks when you're replacing things and trying to make it better. But for her car, we have everything else sorted. It's going to be diff bushings are done, and we're going to be coilovers. It's going to be mechanically sound as soon as we get whatever this runnability issue is figured out. So when she does finally get to the track, it's going to be rock solid, no overheating issues, nothing like that. But just got to take it day by day. But yeah, I'll turn it around here, and maybe we'll watch the front view for a minute. I don't have the sticky mount's not set up, so you got to deal with me holding it and shaking all over the place. So hopefully I don't get motion sickness. Okay. But yeah, it's just wipers and windy roads and wipers and windy roads. Luckily they got this red grippy, it's like grip tape, kind of like a rubberized asphalt, and it helps keep the car on the road a little bit. But yeah, this is a route to is way up north because the Yamboru track is extremely far away from civilization here in Okinawa. But it's totally worth the drive because it's got pretty good entry speeds and nice people. So, oh man, it's so bumpy. Oh my god, I wish this was mounted, not in my hand. But I think I'm about to get on 58. I'll probably pull over and I might mount this up, get the sticky one set up so that I can get a cruising, rolling footage on the way home that I couldn't get on the way here. So this is probably a very disjointed video, and I apologize for that, but that's what you get, so deal with it. But yeah, pretty good scenery. I got no complaints. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna pause this for now so I don't crash, and then I will get it all mounted up solid, and we'll get some outro music going. Maybe I'll do a closer at the end of this video. We'll see. Alright, see you in a bit. I got it mounted while I was still driving. I totally pulled over to mount it. But there's another way to get to the track, but it's even further away, and it looks very similar to this. So this is the shortcut. We're about, 45 seconds from popping out on 58, which is 58's the main highway. Not the main. One of two main highways here on Okinawa. The other one is 329. It's on the east side. But we are headed west. So the camera's at an angle. Is it at an angle? I don't know. I don't think it's at an angle. Yeah, car did good today. So I've got these dreams and aspirations of going turbo, but I don't think I need to. So today in the track I had more than enough power, and if I do NAT, which would be neat, it would be good, it'd be fast. I'll be introducing a bunch of variables about failure points, how I can get boost links, and I'll have more oil lines, and I'll have more this and that. And I think I'll just end up causing myself more problems, whereas today, I can just load up and then hide the AC during lunchtime, take a nap, and no big deal. But it can stop raining over here. Yeah, I don't get cool blow-off valves or anything, but I've got jingly clutch. We're going into a tunnel now. Slapped together a last-minute exhaust on this a couple days ago. I think it sounds not great, but it sounds like it's got sound. Wish I'd gotten more footage today, but I always forget, and then it is what it is. And I got a nice ocean view as we're cruising by. But I'll probably turn some music on so I don't go crazy, so Chica can just add in some YouTube-friendly music right here. All right, I'll see you guys here in a little while. Peace out. Alrighty. Two best parts of any drift day, regardless of what happens between them, is the morning Family Mart run and the afternoon Family Mart run on the way home from drifting. And yeah, we are on the second one of those. The first one I forgot to film this morning because that's just how I am. I bought chips this morning, but I have since lost them. I don't know. Oh, they're there. I already ate all my other snacks, so who will be eating these snacks? I'm not gonna film myself eating all these, but I might. But I'm gonna eat my American dog, as it's called here in Japan, which is just a corn dog. But I'm gonna eat that while I have a breather moment. So right now I'm just gonna have to stay awake with corn dog juice, and then we'll get home that way. I'm gonna choke this down, and then I will get back on the road, and maybe I'll catch up with you guys when I get home. See you later. Peace out. I'm driving home. I'm eating chips. I'm all full of Family Mart. Listening to the 2004 Linkin Park Meteora album after a successful drift day. It doesn't get much better than this. I just wanted you to know that even though you can't hear it, I can hear it, and Linkin Park is rocking. So this is probably going to be my closeout for the video. I don't want to film again when I get home because I'm tired and my legs hurt. Anywho, thanks for sticking around and watching all of our dumb videos. It's just something to pass the time and have a little fun. I'm not trying to get famous. I don't want to be Adam LZ. I don't want to be any of those guys. I just want to have fun and leave something that lasts on the internet. So, anywho, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll be back pretty soon in a week or so with